In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to leave a note on Instagram. Note is a new feature that has been recently added to Instagram. Make sure you watch this video until the end to know how exactly you can leave a note on your account of Instagram. From the home screen of your app of Instagram, tap on this message section on the top right. And here you'd be able to see an option of leave a note. You can tap on this plus icon right here. And here you can type in anything and leave a note of anything that you want. Now you'll have two options to share it to the people that follow you back, or if you have added a close friends list, you can also choose that. Now after you've done that, you can tap on share on the top right. And as easy as that, you have now successfully left a note on Instagram. You can also easily delete it if you want. Tap on the note again and you will have an option of delete note. If you guys found this video helpful, then make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video, and I'll be back with more interesting videos similar to this.